Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear wishlist on Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear wishlist on Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here. Tap on the settings option at the bottom of the screen and you land on this interface where you can see the general option available for us at the top of the list. Tap on the general option at the top of the list and this kind of interface will appear, and from over here we'll be required to tap on the account and device preferences over here, which is just above the notifications. Tap on account and device preferences and we'll land over here. Now we'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can see the clear wish list option available for us. Tap on clear wish list and again tap on the clear button over here, and all of your wish list will be cleared from your Google Play Store account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to clear wish list on Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.